stock are unique, especially in classics. 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Nice looking two-door coupe. Of course, this was in Oldsmobile's heyday. Oldsmobile's, of course, no longer being produced. Does have the upgraded V8 engine option. So it does have the 5-liter V8 underneath the hood that is paired with the 3-speed automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Did have the AC blowing cold, compressor kicking on and off. Let you take a look at the grille. Headlight surrounds, chrome. These are kind of that combination of sport and luxury, I think, that made him so popular. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see that engine bay. Check out the interior, and I'll get into some more details on it. But first, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So take a look down the passenger side here. Has had a repaint along the way, and I would guess that's probably due to the fact that if you know anything about mid-80s General Motors paint, it was not the best quality. Now when we get back here, as far as this vinyl partial top, this all looks original. Much, if not all, of the interior looks very original. Car shows a little over 20,000 on the odometer, which the Carfax does not have any readings higher than that on it. There's no accidents indicated. So clean Carfax, believed to be original miles. You know, and judging by the chrome, a lot of the condition of the vinyl top, the interior. Take a look at the still pictures. I pulled up the trunk liner to shoot underneath that. Unbelievable how clean that is. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You call in or email. Of course, a lot of these bodies, cars used for kind of your amateur dirt track racing, don't see a lot of them. They're kind of one of those cars that got driven into the ground to find one in nice shape. Doesn't happen a lot anymore. And again, you can see the driver's side looks nice. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Kind of a cult following with these cars. Any of them we've gotten in sell rather quickly. Go ahead and check out the door panels. See how nice the shape that those are in, and those are also original. And seats sure appear to be original. Not a lot of wear on those. I will tell you, when I get up on top of this color, if I step back here a little bit, it's going to give you a true, there's the true color of it. It's kind of a, I hate here called dark claret maple, but a deep wine color. Now, if I get right up on top of it, it does start to wash it out some. It is more of the dark. Now, check out the top of this dash. How many times do you see these all cracked, warped? Got a little bit of that going on with the steering wheel, which we see quite often, very common. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's what the odometer reads, 20,775. Again, believed to be original. There's nothing that tells you otherwise in the Carfax. FYI, mentioned the AC blows cold. Radio also in working order.
Season's greedy.
And again, take a look at that dash. Also had the wipers working. They are an intermittent wiper. Good sounding car. Does not sound like it's got any sort of aftermarket exhaust. Much for any sort of changes done there. No cam, anything like that. Just a nice, smooth running V8. Again, 5-liter upgraded. These would have came standard with a 6-cylinder. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to slip up to the front. We're going to pop this hood open. Let you check out this engine bay. I want to show you how clean that is too, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood pop. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. One of the things I wanted to point out is look how little corrosion is under this hood. Nice and tidy it is. Looks like it may have a newer compressor on it. And sounds good. Don't hear an exhaust leak, no ticking. A good sounding engine. There you go, 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, V8 engine upgrade. Nicely equipped car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.